Please open up a new Excel file, and by doing so, you'll create a new workbook. You'll see at the top here, this is labeled Book 1. If you have more than one file open, they will be labeled 2, 3, 4, etc. In the bottom left corner, you'll see Sheet 1. If you're in cell 2016, the default is to have one worksheet per workbook. In older versions, it's 3. Let's quickly add another worksheet here. And we can change the name of these. Simply double-click on it and type in the new name. Here you'll see that by moving the cursor with the arrow buttons, I'm in cell A1, and the name of it is displayed right here. I can actually change this name, but I won't now. We'll deal with that later. Here's our formula bar. I can type a formula 3 different ways. The first is right in the cell I can type equals sum to start a sum function. Or I can click into the formula bar itself and type equals sum to also start the function. Or thirdly, I can click on the FX insert function here. In the search area I can type sum, and I see that sum comes up, which I can select, and then select the range that I want. So these are the 3 ways to create a formula. Across the top you'll see the ribbon. The main sections of the ribbon are Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, and Developer. We're going to go through those now.